Here's a little kitchen hack. You know these foaming hand soaps? Oh, I haven't had my coffee yet. Conjugating words is impossible. Anyway, put some dish soap in there. Watch this. I'm not going to fill it all the way up, because I don't want to use all my dish soap, but watch. Just put some dish soap in there. Put this on. Tighten it. Let's turn it this way. Anyway, watch. See? You can use dish soap. And see, I buy antibacterial. There's a hack. Meet my husband, John, a traveling healthcare professional, and me, Shelly, his wife, and full-time vlogger, and our adorable chihuahua, Mr. Tiggs. Follow our crazy life as we travel through different cities and states, just trying to find our forever home. We are going to make 2-ingredient pizza dough, because I'm going to make a breakfast pizza. Here we go. So I preheated the oven to 450. We're going to need 1.5 cups of self-rising flour and 1 cup of Greek plain yogurt. So let's do this. 1 cup and a half. Now we're gonna make a pocket here in the center. Okay. Alright, I'll just do 2 half cups, because I accidentally grabbed the half cup one. Dump that in the middle. Do another one. Press it down, get rid of the air pockets. Drop this one in the center. There you go. Ah, you left some behind. All right. All right. And you can always add more flour if you need to. But these are the 2 ingredients. And you don't roll this dough out either when it's done. You press it out. So once you have your dough mixed, put some oil on your hands. Cover it with a little bit of oil. This is your dough ball. Then we're gonna cover it and let it sit for 15 minutes. Set it aside. Okay, so in the meantime, cook up some sausage while our dough is rising. So Better hurry before it starts crackling on me. My husband is starving. Alright, put this away. Okay, bacon's cooked, sausage is cooked, and it's cooled. So, and alright, stack these up. And we're gonna make pieces of bacon. That's probably enough right there. Sausage. Some people do Canadian bacon. Do whatever you want on it. Yeah, we'll make them look like pepperonis. Good idea. Let's get to the next segment. I'm gonna set these aside. Yeah. So 12-inch pizza pan. I'm gonna lightly spray it because I already put some oil on the. I got bacon on it. I'd already sprayed covered the dough. Oh yeah, it wrote. See how big it got? Yeah. Now we're gonna knead it just a little bit more. Not gonna roll it out. We're gonna press it out. Now let's get it back into a ball. Press it out. Might need a little bit more oil. I'll just spray it on my hands. There. All right, 5 minutes in the oven. Here we go. Let's get some eggs. Now that's a 12-inch round. So we're gonna do, I think, 6 eggs, 5, 6. We'll see. We're gonna do 6. All right. Whisk the eggs up good. Salt. Not a lot, because we got bacon. Pepper. Put our bacon in there. It'll still be crispy. Really? Why is anybody mowing dirt? Drive me crazy. Alright. We're gonna let that crust pizza dough cook for 5 minutes and then we'll be back. So all I did was want it to be, oh yeah, holy moly. Okay. Just a few, I did actually 4 minutes. I'm gonna stop when it's too much. Actually, it was perfect. Look at that, 6 eggs, perfect. So we're gonna do sausages, like little pepperonis. If my dough was even, it would have been a perfect amount. Here's some more bacon. Okay. There's some more bacon in here, but I think it's got plenty of bacon. See, it wants to run to this side because there's a glitch in the balance. It's okay. Yummy. Messy is yummy, right? Then I did cheddar and mozzarella blend. And we're just gonna put that lightly over the top. This is a mess. Oh well, it's fun to make for kids, brunches. All right, in the oven it goes. So, yeah, the pan's cooled off. I suggest doing it very slowly. Look at that. Let me plate a piece. Okay. Hot. That's awesome. Wow. That. There it is. He likes ketchup. Yes. I got egg in my drawer. Let's see how he likes it. Well, got the seal of approval from Mr. NOMADness. So I gotta try it now. I have to try it. Look at that. Scrambled eggs, bacon, sausage, and cheese. What a fun breakfast for the kids. and people, if you go to a brunch, take this. Okay guys, that's what's for breakfast. In case you wanted to see the density of the 2-ingredient dough. That is just self-rising flour and plain Greek yogurt. Crazy, it's so good. And it's shiny. Look at it. Okay guys, see you tomorrow.